So I drove 100 miles yesterday to pick up a 20-ton shop press from Harbour Freight. All the local Harbour Freights didn't have them in stock. Apparently it's been a bit of an issue. Our local Harbour Freight hasn't had them in stock since October last year. It's end of May now, 2021. What I was expecting was 2 boxes. They said they had stock, and when they brought it out, it actually came in 3 boxes, and it looks quite different than all the videos I've seen online. This is the major difference. This piece here now comes pre-assembled, pre-welded, I guess, whereas before it was bolted, and you had to assemble it using some long bolts. The 3 boxes are the bottle jack, which I'm not going to use. I'm going to use the thing I bought that's on top, which is the air hydraulic bottle jack. The main box here has the frame. As I said, that's pre-assembled now, and these 2 plates, for some reason I'm not sure, but to me they look a bit thinner than what I've seen online. I hope they didn't try and skimp there and make them smaller, but they look decent enough. But from my memory online, I thought they looked a bit bigger. The 3rd box would be this one here. That's just the cross piece there that goes on there. It has the springs and the rods in there and the bolts. I went to Tractor Supply yesterday and bought all the bolts in grade 8. Doesn't cost that much. I think total was $5-6. I always do that with Harbour Freight materials. They come in the lowest grade. I believe it's metric 4.8 grade bolts, and I normally change those to either grade 5 or grade 8. Here's the replacement hardware on the right. That's the grade 8, and on the left you have the original. M12 becomes 1/2 inch and M8 becomes 5/16. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So just in case you're wondering, and they talk about 3 boxes, that's what it looks like. The manufacturing date would be somewhere in December. I've got a certification of fitness here dated 12th of December 2020. So obviously this is pretty new, and I'm not sure if they switched this or not, because apparently this thing comes in 3 different SKUs. This particular one is, what is it? 32, could you move away? 32879. It comes in 2 other ones as well. I'm not sure if it's SKU dependent or if it's just a date dependency here where they switched. But if you buy a recent one, it's going to look like this and not like all the other videos that are online. So this is very easy to assemble. I think they did a good job on making it easier and probably sturdier as well. I did use a couple of straps, ratchet straps, just to expand this spring, or these springs, so I could slide the bottle jack in. That worked out great. I basically tied it to the bottom here and around this beam. What I don't particularly like is these eye bolts. They are M8 and I think they're a bit chintzy, a bit small. I might increase that diameter. Would have to drill out the holes here, but I'll probably go to M10 or M12 or 1/2 inch or something like that. Everything else looks great. The thing works beautifully. Can demonstrate if I can. There we go. One of the modifications I'm going to make is to put a handle here. I saw that online. That's a good idea. Just a round handle, probably weld it to this little stud here, and just use a hand handle and make it a lot more convenient. But that's it. Nice 20-ton floor press from Harbour Freight, now new designed for 2021. You know that hurts, right?